So hi everyone, I am Rishabh and we are now launching a new beginner Java series which will be really helpful to many of the students because in online means in YouTube there I saw that there is a deficit of Java, so I thought of launching that Java course. And this one there will be everything from installing Java in your PC to big advanced level. So I hope that this one is a mega course that I am launching. So I hope that many of you will be getting benefit from this. And nothing more to say, let's start installing the Java. So today we are going to see that how to install Java in your PC and how to use. So for installing purpose I will be using VS Code only because it is the most lightest code editor, and through that only you can do most of the things. So I will be doing through the VS Code only. Along with VS Code we have to download the JDK of the Oracle for that is a Java compiler. And so let's start it. So first what I will do is we will be opening our Chrome. Now in the Google just simply type the Java JDK download. Okay, so now it will be opening our official website to the Oracle. So just simply click on the Java download of the first link that will be coming from the Oracle. Just simply click on that. Java 8 has been now launched. So from here what you have to do is if you are using Linux version, then you will be selecting the Linux. If you are Mac OS, then go to Mac OS. And if you are Windows, like my one is Windows, so I will be selecting the Windows. Now from here there are three versions. One is MSI, the other is 64-bit normal installer.exe, and the other one is a archive file, means .zip file will be downloaded. So what to do is you simply download the third one. It is the least space, means its size is the least among the three. So simply download the last one, that is this one. Click on it. Now what will happen is it will show you to download. Now click on the save button. So what will happen is it will start downloading. And yeah, so after this one the next one that we will be needing is we will be installing VS Code, that is our code editor. So simply write VS Code. So now the first one, that is the Visual Studio Code, will come. So simply go in the download section, the first one that will be coming, go to the download section from that. Now here you can see that there is the Windows version also. So if you are Windows, then use Windows. If you are Mac, then use Mac. And if you are like Ubuntu or Linux, then you can download through this one. I am having Windows, so I will download Windows version. So now simply click on download, and now it will be coming. So now you can see that it has come. So simply click on the save button and it will start downloading. So the third one is that is the Java kit for VS Code. So we will be downloading the just simply write VS Code Java setup. Now yes, so now you can see that the Java in Visual Studio Code is coming. So go to that, the official VS Code website only, you go to that. Now what will happen is this one is Java in Visual Studio Code. So what Microsoft has done is it has provided a simple software exe file through which what will happen is it will download the VS Code and JDK, and it will set up automatically your Visual Studio Code for Java, and it will make it ready. So we will be downloading this one. Now if you are using Mac, then go in the Mac OS version, and if you are Windows like me, then click on this Windows. So now what will happen is it will start downloading. It will show a pop-up message, or it will start downloading. You click on the save and just download it. Now I have downloaded all the three previously for easier purpose. So let me directly show you to that. So yeah, so I have already downloaded this one. This is the VS Code, this one is the JDK from the Oracle, and this one is the I told you the Java for VS Code, that official Microsoft one, that one. So now firstly what we have to do is install the JDK in your PC. That will be the compiler of our Java. So simply click on it, double click on it. So it will start the setup for your installing purpose. And once it get installed, we will be installing the VS Code, the Visual Studio Code. One more tip, you can use VS Code for everything, for like anything coding, for development and for anything you can use VS Code. It is the lightest version, means it is the lightest among all the code editors, and it is effective also, and it comes from Microsoft, so it is helpful. So now what will happen is, it will you have to click yes, and it will be start installing. Yeah, so let me close this one. Okay, so this one has came in front of us. Now click on the next. Now this one is the file location. You can change it, but my suggestion is don't change it. Keep it the same what they are providing, and click on the next. Now what will happen is, it will start installing, and for my one I have already installed previously, so it is showing updating, but the Java 8 I have downloaded, so it is showing that updating the version. So for your case it will be showing directly installing, so no problem with that. Just simply follow my steps and it will be installed for you also, right? So once this one is finished, we will be okay. So this one is finished, right? So click on the close, and it is finished. So now what we will do is, we will be installing the VS Code now. So click on VS Code. Okay, so this one has opened. This one is to install the VS Code. Now you do the accept the agreement, then click on the next button. You can also add a desktop icon, and the rest of things let it be ticked, and click on the next button now. And now there are some additional information coming and tasks coming. Just simply click on the install button, and it will start installing your VS Code. For my case, I have already installed VS Code earlier, but still I am showing you for you all guys, because it will be easier for you, right? So I am showing you. Location you don't have to change, just keep it simple. Click next, and it will be completely installed. There will be no problem in that. So once this is installed, what we will do is, we will be continue with that one, like what Microsoft has provided us, like simply setting up Java with VS Code. We will do that that exe file, we will run that. Okay, so now it has showing that launch Visual Studio Code. Click on finish, and it will be launching the VS Code for us. Okay, so now double click. Now we will be installing this. So double click on this Java coding pack, and it will open. It will be opening the exe file for us to set up the VS Code with the Java, and it will do all the thing automatically. You don't have to do anything. Okay, so now the coding pack of Java has started installing. So let us see that what it shows. So it is showing that install coding pack for Java. You accept these terms and conditions, the license. Click on the next button. Now after clicking, it will be showing that required components, that are Java Development Kit and VS Code. Both are installed. We have installed this one earlier only. The two. These two, the VS Code and the JDK. So these are already installed as I show you. So click on simply install now. Now what it will do is, it will configure our VS Code for Java. And now after this one has finished, yes, so this one is finished, right? So click on the finish. It will open the VS Code for us. So now this thing is already done. Everything is set up. Okay, so now this all three are installed, right? And VS Code is also set up for our Java. Now I am creating a file here only, but you don't create here. Whenever we do Java, create a separate folder which is safe and secure, and in that you do all your coding part. Now I am creating here only a file to show you. So what I will do is create a new file. First create a new folder. Now I will open this folder. Let me write it Java course for you all guys. Now I will open this one. Simply right click. Now what will come is open with code, this one for VS Code. Simply click on this, and VS Code will be opened with this folder. For this folder VS Code will be opened. Now you accept this one, yes, I trust the author, and now remove this get started one. Now you can see that Java course has came from here only. Now from here only, remove this one first. Yes, now from here new file, go to the new file version and click on the new file. Now you write anything, write the test code. I am naming it test.java. Okay, the extension is written with .java. So now what to do is, in Java I will write a simple code for printing a statement and for checking it. So what I will do is I will write the name class test. Now inside I will write the main function. Okay, so now I will write simple a print statement. Yes, so I have written the simple print statement. Now click on Control S and save it, and now let's run our first code. We have successfully installed Java with VS Code, so let's run it. So for running purpose, click on the triangular button at the top right corner. Simply click on this one. Now what will happen is, in your terminal it will be start running. So let's see. I am increasing the height so it will be easier for you to understand. So this one will come. Now I am showing you that for this thing, now if you run, now what will happen is your one will come in the output version, but now mine one is coming in the terminal. For this thing, what you have to do is, you go in this one, the second last button from the left side, that is the extension. In the extension you simply type code runner. Simply type code runner. The first one will come. Simply go to that and install it. My one is already installed, so simply install it. Now after installing this one, it will be coming like uninstall, so close this one. Now what we, after this one, go at the top bottom, at the bottom corner of bottom left corner, and there you will be finding the settings button. Now click on the settings, and now settings will be opened. So in the settings, go for the extensions, and there you will be finding the code editor. Okay, so run code configuration. So go for the run code configuration. Okay, now you can see that there is a run in terminal option, so it will be unticked for you. Simply tick this one. It should be ticked. Simply tick this one. So what will happen is, every time it will be running in your terminal. So now this one is done. So after doing this, simply close this one and run this one. This is the basic code for printing a simple word, that is hello world. So now what will happen is, here your code will be running in the terminal, and you can see that hello world is printed. So we have successfully installed the VS Code, and we have set up all the things for our Java beginner course. So this one is we have completed with this one. So I will upload new videos daily basis. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel to get new videos. And it will be really, what to say, it will be really grateful for me if you learn from my videos, and if I can add value to your life. So today I am done with these things. I hope that you have successfully installed by seeing my video. So bye bye, stay tuned for new video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.